We out here in Arizona at the Lifepreneur corporate building for the TikTok Shop Bootcamp headquarters, where we're going to show you exactly where all these free samples come. All right, this is where all the magic happens at. So, hey, don't take my word for it. Come on. All right, so everything you see in this office, this building was provided by TikTok itself. So from the desk to the office, to the furniture, to all these boxes that you see, everything you see that was in here was actually from brands on TikTok Shop that sent them in for us to just do simple videos. And then at that point, we can keep them, flip them, or whatever. So come on.
I wake up early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure.
All right, so how long it took to get all these samples right here?
Well, this is all just last 2 weeks, but come here, I'll show you the rest. This is 2 weeks for the samples, but if you go to 2 weeks before, I had to put them all in here because I ran out of room out here. Yeah, so these are the other 2 weeks of samples right here. It's 50 bins full of samples right here that are all free from TikTok Shop.
It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my I got bad intentions, make it right every wrong, and I'm
Hey, how's you doing? You know, it's Kawan Money Mayo, and look, you know, we got that documentation, that beat conversation. Today, we in the warehouse of Lifepreneur, which we showed you how to be able to crush it on TikTok Shop. So that's what you're seeing right here. This right here is the brands that we're about to actually take home today. All these different Jay Cutler, you know, I mean, just all types of products that you can see. I mean, look at the warehouse. This is over 500 different items. And just in this bin alone, we have over 100 different items. And all this was sent in within a week, all free from companies, because they, like you, they give it to you for free just for reviewing their products. And then in turn, we get to keep it, use it, or even flip it, which we teach you how to do as well. So imagine flipping all this on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. I mean, are you picking up or we dropping down? You got Goalie, Lullaby. You ain't gotta buy your food no more. The things that you like to consume, the things that you like to eat, your proteins, your vitamins. I mean, right here, we got a bread machine. We got chicken feed for the chickens. I mean, we got stuff for everybody. Why buy native when you can get it for free? Why buy your body wash when you can get it for free? I mean, how would you like to be able to get all your body wash that you already gonna buy anyways, but now you get it for free, and then on top of that, you get to flip it afterwards, because I mean, this is enough for me to wash for the next year. You know about OxyShed, then you already know this is a popular brand as well. You already know that supplements is one of the most expensive things you can get, and now you can take care of your creatine, you can take care of your mix, you can take care of all your proteins and all these different things. What if you got all this for free instead of having to pay for it? Get a big dose of your magnesium. All this was sent for free. And we ain't talking about your supplements, all right? Yeah, big brands like Shark, yeah, we got that too. I mean, would you rather buy this or get it for free? So Ninja's a big brand, obviously, as you know, but they also like to send you free stuff. All this made possible because you're part of TikTok. Are you seeing the bigger picture yet? Are you getting the vision? And again, this is just a small fraction of what we're talking about. Now, of course, you can buy this, but why buy it when you can get it for free? So did you know that Dr. Scholl's actually make shoes too? I mean, how cool is that? You know, my wife loves these. And those ain't the only ones. I mean, we got shoes for days. Shoes for days. Brand new in the box, or would you rather pay for it? So I know you dudes love Hey Dude, so wouldn't you like to get your Hey Dudes for free? Hey dude, hey dude, and make sure you stay hydrated, especially when you get to stay hydrated for free. Why go to the gym when you can work out for free? You like coffee? Yeah, a lot of people do. You know what they like even better? Free coffee machines. Yes, this also was sent in from a company because all they want you to do is review it, then you get to keep it. And here it is. And here's the other one. Could you use an extra sweeper, vacuum? I mean, look, these things are coming in all day, every day. This is a reserve room. That means everything here has already been ready to be shipped to eBay. Can you imagine you getting this much stuff being sent and put into eBay afterwards? I mean, how much you think you'll make off all this? Yeah, that's what we're talking about here. Why buy protein bars again? You know protein bars can get pretty expensive, right? But hey, now when they're free, they're coming by the cases. For my men out there, got you covered. I mean, think about Christmas, think about birthdays, think about, you ain't never gotta shop again. Birthdays, hello. Christmas, hello. Like, I don't think you understand what we're talking about. Who don't love bags? Now we got his and hers for free.
Look, this is a portable ice maker. These are all full. That's a mattress vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so it looks like junk, but it's just, we have so much stuff. We literally just said pile it in the corner.
I love it.
Until we have time to get to it. It's a big old box of cookies.com, cupcakes.com, Free the Sheep Eden hoodie, anxiety relief loungewear. Feel how heavy this is.
Yeah, it's like heavy.
Yeah, that's expensive. The Echo Smile cooler just showed up. They're selling for $150 each. We just keep requesting more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of them. And then just keep sending more. And every time we sell for 150, 150, 150, 150. So it's just a good way to make some money. We're moving kind of towards eBay because it's like just extra free money that we were leaving on the table before. We just been having these things just sit around the office, and now we're actually able to come in and like random stuff. This stuff all sells. Like I'll bet you whatever this random box is gonna be. Let's see.
Oh yeah, that's a little
Compact seated elliptical right there. Just like that. Grab a random box. Look, air fryer. It's all expensive. It looks junky, but all the stuff's expensive. Like red light therapy lamp.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, these things are dope, huh? And they just send these for free. So we don't know what to do with all this. These things? What is that? A little neck pillow or something? Oh, immersive neck massager. And then a vault. They sent a vault.
Oh, that about dope too.
Yeah, that's a vault. Look, it's a vault with like the whole entire thing. Bro, look how much native we have. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is, I can't even lift this.
Yeah, Chris had his kids and his kids' friends over the summer. They came.
That's like what we use.
This is one of 3 bins of Native. Native will send as much free stuff as you could ever use. I got a year's supply at my house. You guys just did the car ride. Did you have a car refrigerator?
Yeah, there's at
We
least
got like 10 of these boxes too, and they just send all their stuff too. And we got like 10 of them. Robo Rock, little robot cleaners.
Yeah.
Here, let's see what's inside. We have 4 of them.
be careful.
hot sauce. Ooh, that's the hottest hot sauce.
We got 4 of them. Energy drinks, you name it. You'll never pay for that again. Chips, we just had a friend come over. We gave him like a big bin full, like 40 bags of chips because we can never eat all the food. Because they just send boxes like this. Just big boxes full of protein. You can never possibly eat it or make your own.
Oh wow.
Just endless. And Flave City's like popular.
It is.
And it sells really well too. So not only every time you make one, make a little video, and then you sell more, and then they send more. Look, we got like maybe 20, 30 bags of these. We have so many, there's everywhere. Everything you just saw is also in all these bins. Random, just stuff everywhere. Office. So we do some office work.
Nice.
Noah, sometimes. Just like backup rooms. What's crazy is all this stuff is also TikTok shop. You get all the decor for your whole house. Whether it's shoes, clothes. We have maybe 500 shirts in here. Shorts, I mean, we have endless amounts of Dickies. Just endless amounts of clothes. Bags, backpacks, even all kinds of really cool stuff.
There's your Snuggie.
Oh yeah,
that's funny.
Snuggies.
Yeah, that's fine.
We got Crocs.
Oh,
Crocs gives you all the stuff for free. I mean, everything's a mess. Like this room is just wow. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, y'all drink energy drinks? Because look, they just give. And this
Oh, my
protein
goodness.
shakes energy. Look, every room is full. Everything you see here, they send this amount to us once per month per account. So each one of us has this amount at our houses too. Like if you're seeing it here, because we all, our wives or spouses are like, no,
not
take
no
that to the
more.
office. Yeah, because it gets out of, the houses are out of control.
But this
No,
is
I don't know.
super
I don't know. You're right.
expensive. This is the bundle we were just looking at. Remember, I was like, this is perfect.
Medicube, Dr. Malaxin, and this sells in the Spanish market right here. That brand, I know. She does Spanish videos and sells crazy. Shameless snacks. Those things are
Shameless
bomb.
snacks.
This brand right here got on TikTok Shop and is already starting to sell really well. But they got on TikTok Shop because they got a good apparel brand, you know?
Wow.
But this thing's dope. Look at this. That's a nice bag right
That
there.
is a nice bag.
That is.
These bags, Stanley, these are nice. Yeah. These are my collab invites. These are companies right here that want to give me free products, like bookstores, all these different products, Habibi, Frida, Ollie Wellness, stuff that you see like in stores, right? Coffee shops, leisure pet beds, Focus Factor. So if you go to they're all regular products that you would see in stores. These are all companies that are giving me pretty much guaranteed samples, food, just different things, nutrition products, books, whatever. And then I could always like look at some of this stuff, like say this home selection. You go look at one of these and you look at some of these products and they get like nice, what are these? Bed sheets, all kinds of stuff, like different bed sheets like that. And you can go in and choose whatever ones you want and they just send you the sample. Or I could view by product and I can also see them this way, right? So you got all kinds of food, drinks. So if I want something Gorilla Mind, I just press get sample, choose whatever flavor that I want. So let's just say I want a variety pack, request free sample, and then just check the button and submit. And it's just that easy. I got free samples. So I have maybe 10,000 free samples in here available.
Just waiting.
Just waiting. It's like the hard part is pressing the button and getting everything for free, right? And then of course the mailman having 100 products at a time. You gotta navigate that one. But it's you need a flamethrower, you know what I'm saying? This is for weeds. Trust me, it's for weeds.
For stretch marks. And they bought a lot of it. Nobody did a dedicated live to sell that one product. And so I was able to get in there and
You add to cart and check out. Honey Marissa, congratulations at the last second. Let's go.
say top affiliate right up there at the top. Anybody know who this is? Mr. Money Mayo.
You don't have to focus on anything else. Like, just go all in with this. This is some real serious, powerful, can super change your life, your trajectory. I've been doing network marketing for over 14 years, and I feel like this is gonna surpass that like tenfold, like honestly. And if everything keeps going the way it's going, I'll probably be retiring from network marketing, doing this full time. Like, it's that serious.
I see it coming. Yeah. I see it coming. That's what I did.
Like in my space, that's the one thing that I always hated. I was like, no matter how much I taught what I was doing, everyone can duplicate my success. I mean, I could teach you the whole blueprint. You still want it. Some people couldn't build a house. But with this, it's like you follow the blueprint and you're gonna have success. I even like to the point, some of the people that I've introduced to the program is already doing better than me before me. You know what I mean? But I actually love that. I'm like, that's what I'm talking about. Because any other time, they'd be like, oh yeah, Kawan's doing that. Of course, he always wins at everything he does. So when I'm showing you this stuff, it hits a little bit different than when somebody that's never had sales online. Or like right now, someone reached out to me a couple of days ago, somebody on my team, and said, Kawan, you know, I just did 1,000 GMV yesterday on live and I made $285. It was like, man, thank you. I appreciate you for introducing me to this program. And I'm like, that's what it's about. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I ain't even hit that yet. You know, I haven't even done that much sales. And I had someone else that already got 5 accounts into the program, and they only been in less than a month. Matter of fact, it was in 2 weeks, and they got all 5 of their accounts in. So that's what I love to see, because it's like, okay, now we all can win. You know, you just got to follow the blueprint. How much you doing?
$2,600.
Go.
Cutler Nutrition, I'm just saying right here, 1 month right there was $35,000 of just the Cutler Nutrition at 20%, so that's $7,000. But then it kept trailing, right? So the next month, if we keep going, that's $13,000. Again, 20% of that $13,000, and then it keeps going. You just keep getting paid month after month, $7,500. Eventually, of course, it kind of dies down, but just like that, $4,500. So it dies down, but it's making passive income every single month on just this account from one video. That was all from one video. $20,000 of commissions total, plus the brand pays an extra $2,000 a month because I'm hitting those metrics.
How you doing, Paige?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so let people know how your month was last month. Was it this month? This month?
July.
Oh, July.
She had a nice July.
Nice July.
Yes.
So how'd you end your July?
I made $38,000.
Nice.
But there's what, live streaming or a combination of things?
It was I made $30,000 live streaming, and then I made another $8,000 in retainer brand deals on top of that.
Nice.
So, totaling $38,000.
And how much was you averaging a day?
I was averaging about $1,000 a day. Yeah.
Now tell them how much you were making this time last year.
This time last year, I was making, I was struggling to find a job paying me $16 an hour as a medical assistant. So.
And how long you been doing TikTok Shop total?
I've been doing TikTok Shop for about a year and a half. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Year and a half. Yeah.
Well, I think that's a little, you've only been live streaming, I think, for 6 months.
Yeah, okay. I've been live streaming for 6 months, but I've been doing TikTok Shop in general for a year and a half. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right, so you just got a glimpse into what this is all about and just how powerful our TikTok Shop Bootcamp really is, okay? So let me just break it down what you're going to get when you join. So when you join, first off, we can guarantee that you're going to get samples every single month. All right. So that right there, don't worry, we got you covered, because you're going to get to attach to our agency, which normally you wouldn't be able to have access to these samples because you need to be like an influencer, right? But you don't have to be with us because you're going to attach to our agency, which gives you the ability to be able to get samples like if you was an influencer. Second, you're going to be able to have access to a bunch of brands that normally you wouldn't really have access to because, again, your account's too new. We're going to teach you how to grow that account from 0 to 5,000 followers within a month's time, give or take. We've got people doing it within a week. So that's another thing, because that opens up the full creator program to allow you to be able to be on TikTok Shop and get the most out of this. All right. Last but not least, we're going to hold your hand through the whole process from beginning to end. No one gets left behind. This isn't like MLM and network marketing where only the people at the top make money or the people with influence. Everybody can build the house if you follow the blueprint. And that's what's beautiful about what we have here. We have people in our community already making money in their first month of joining. And I'm sure you'll be no different when you follow that blueprint. So no gotchas, no upsells, just $99 a month
Or $9.99
for the year. The benefit in unlocking the yearly is the fact that you get unlimited samples. If you do the monthly, then you get 5 samples a month. But going yearly, you get unlimited samples. Our boot camps are Monday through Friday, live and super hands-on. We'll audit your accounts right there live. We'll go through it live. We'll help you out, ask any questions. Anything that you need to succeed, we got you covered. So if you're ready to get started, go to stackmoneynow.com and let's grow. So yes, I'm giving you the price right up front to weed out all the looky-loos and tire kickers. We're not playing games here. Like I said, no upsells. You got your $99 ready. You got your $900 ready. Then let's go. Let's grow and let's get it. Let's get it.